Can an exclusive online space for doctors actually deliver on its big promises, or is it just another professional platform that sounds better than it performs? That's the question we explore in this detailed review of Sermo.com, which claims to be the world's largest and most trusted online community for licensed physicians. With a domain history going back over 25 years, Sermo has built a reputation around secure, peer-to-peer interaction, offering features like anonymous case discussions, global medical polling, drug reviews, and paid pharmaceutical surveys. The platform stands out for its strict verification process, only verified practicing doctors are allowed to join, which helps maintain a closed, trusted environment. On the surface, it appears to be a valuable resource for knowledge sharing and professional support, but we dig deeper to see if it truly lives up to the hype. We analyze user feedback from doctors across multiple specialties, including real reviews on sites like Trustpilot and Reddit, where the experience varies. Some physicians appreciate the ability to earn extra income and connect globally, while others feel the platform is overly influenced by pharmaceutical partnerships or lacks consistent engagement. We also examine its collaborations with major institutions like the EMEA, which adds a layer of legitimacy but also raises questions about potential bias in sponsored content. Sermo clearly isn't a scam, but whether it's genuinely useful depends on what you're looking for as a medical professional. If you're a doctor curious about new digital tools, or just someone interested in how private online platforms for professionals work, this video breaks it all down so you can decide if Sermo is worth your time and trust.